Hi everyone, I'm so excited to bring you one of my high school recipe. I always collect recipe. I'm collecting recipe from the age of 10. So this is one of the recipe, my breadfruit salad recipe. You're gonna like it. It's very, very delicious. I have it many times. In school we would do yam salad, breadfruit salad, lots of different salad we would do in school in home economics class. Because I did childcare, I did home economics, and I did plumbing in high school. So this is a great memory of back in those days. Hi everyone, it's a blessing to be here with you at Eat Good TV. Today we are making breadfruit salad. I have this breadfruit here. This is the star of the show. It's green, should be green in color, but I buy it from the store and it's this color. It's brown. You know, they have it a long time, so it might be turned brown. You have to keep it in water for it to stay green. Let me check it inside if it's good. So I'm gonna cut it in two. Oh, it's good. It's good inside. Brown on the outside. It's not green, but it's good inside. I'm just cutting it down, and I'm gonna peel it and put it in some boiling water to cook. I hope everyone is doing okay. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for all my videos. And just hit the notification all. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thumbs me up, please. If you like the video, just thumb me up. And this breadfruit can be roasted. You don't have to cook breadfruit. You can always roast it too. In the oven or on the wood fire. And you just remove this piece. They call it the heart. But when you're frying it, this part here with this little part here, it's very crispy and nice when you fry it. When you bake it in the oven or fry it in the oven, wow. You bake it in the oven, fry it in the pot. Not fry it in the oven. You bake it in the oven, you fry it in the pot. This piece inside here is so delicious. Right in here we see these little holes. You make it very crispy when you fry it. But I'm gonna cook it this time to make the salad. I never tried bake with salad, but it must be good just the same if you bake it and make a salad. But breadfruit is delicious. Just have to add some salt in the water to cook it. So I'm gonna take this over to the stove to do the salad, to boil for the salad. For all the ingredients we need our breadfruit, because breadfruit is the star of the show and I just peeled the breadfruit. We need mayonnaise, we need corn, assorted bell peppers. I have some chopped in chunks and I have some chopped fine. And we need garlic. We need garlic. Just 3 cloves of garlic. And we need, I'm gonna put, these are just herbs. These are mixed herbs from Caribbean Fusion. And these have 18 herbs in it, so I need that. Onion powder, black pepper, a little crushed pepper, a little all-purpose seasoning, some parsley, and a little garlic powder. And sweet peas. I already add 1 teaspoon of salt, so I'm just gonna add the breadfruit to the pot. Yep. Yeah. This is breadfruit. This is food that we always eat. But my mother never make breadfruit salad. But in school we make breadfruit salad. My teacher in school we make breadfruit salad when we went to a school, secondary high. In secondary high we make breadfruit salad.
It sounds like it'll be make a good salad.
It's like potato salad, any one of those salad, yam salad. They have so many salad, but most like yam salad, breadfruit salad, I had it in school.
What about
but they don't make that at home.
what a breadfruit casserole?
Oh, I never do that. We could try make a casserole from breadfruit. Yeah, we could try that. But we never, my mother never make breadfruit salad or breadfruit casserole or breadfruit. But in school, our teacher always make that. And sometimes we have to make up recipes and do the recipe in school. So I have a lot of recipes. And then my aunt collect recipe, and I was a collector of recipe too. So I have a whole stack of recipe. She used to cut the newspaper, the Sunday Gleaner.
Right.
The Sunday Gleaner used to bring the recipes. So I always cut recipes. She cut recipes. So I have all of hers and I have all of mine. We are just gonna season up this mayonnaise. We're just gonna put a little of the herbs in it. So I'm gonna put a half teaspoon of everything I have here in it. We want it to be delicious. We need delicious. It's all about the taste and the flavor. So we want everything to be nice and delicious. So I just put half teaspoon of everything. And it will be in the description box. Just a half a teaspoon of everything. You don't need to be overpowered with season. So we don't want it to be overpowered with all this season and stuff. And if you don't want any season, you can always leave it out. Just do it your way. And some parsley. And we're gonna add our assorted bell peppers to give it that color and that crunch to it. I don't think I'll add the garlic powder. Let me put a little garlic powder. Everything is just a half a teaspoon. And our corn, don't pour our corn in there. And if you want to add carrot too, you can add carrot. Put our sweet peas in there. Oh yeah, it's gonna be nice and tasty. And I just put some chunks in it. Let me mix this first. I'm gonna taste it. I know it should be nice. Oh, it's delicious. Ooh, I have to take some more. So good. I just cut a half of onion and then I'm just gonna cut these out. And this is just onion and scallion. Some people call scallion spring onion, but this is just onion and scallion. And I just cut them up a little bit. I cut some in little chunks. So after I add the breadfruit, then I'll just add this to it to give it a little color. And this is just a nice easy dinner. You can have your chicken with it, your piece of pork with it, or you can just have it as it is.
So that's garlic right there.
Oh yeah, this is garlic. I'm just gonna cut it fine. Just mince it up so it's fine. And if you don't like garlic, you don't have to have it, but garlic is very good. Garlic fight bacteria, fight any type of infection. So garlic is something you should have in your diet every day. Garlic is very good for the body.
Yes, so you're cutting your garlic, and they're saying that garlic is good for lowering your blood pressure, and it's good for inflammation. It'll lower your cholesterol.
Wow.
Good for your immune system.
Oh,
It builds it up.
that is very good.
It's good for blood clotting,
Wow.
and it's loaded with antioxidants.
Wow.
That's good for the body.
An antioxidant fight free radical in the body.
Yes.
Anything you have, it fight it.
And it's very good for food. It makes the food taste great.
Yeah. But if you're a person allergic to garlic and don't like garlic, you don't have to put it in the food. Yeah, because some people are allergic to certain stuff, you know. Yeah.
Well, they have other herbs that can take the place of that.
Okay.
You know, that'll have health benefits just like garlic.
Right.
Yeah. Like celery, onion,
Okay.
stuff like that.
Okay. So I strained the breadfruit. So here's the breadfruit. I strain it, strain the water off. It's boiled. So I'm just gonna add it to the mixture. I'm just gonna add it to the mayonnaise mixture. And then you just mix it. Make it cool a little bit before you mix it, because you don't want the breadfruit to crush up. So let it cool for a 5-10 minutes. Say 10 minutes. You don't want the breadfruit to fall apart. Now that I have it cool for about 10 minutes, I'm just gonna mix it. My board is clean, so I can put this piece right back here. Always make sure your surface is clean. Let me have a taste of this. I had this in years. I haven't had breadfruit salad. Let me taste a piece. So delicious. It melts in your mouth. Creamy and delicious. So good. There you have it, family, your breadfruit salad. Bye from Eat Good TV. Love you. Wish you all the best. Bye.